Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see liked reels on Facebook. We start by opening Facebook and then we enter our profile. Next, we click on the option called Reels. After that, click on the liked option and all the reels that you liked on Facebook appear. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.